Okay, I'm coming here to visit the apartment on October 4th. I think, yeah, it's looking really good. I think we're done with the painting and we're gonna get ready to move into bathroom completion. So as you can see, the interior doors are done. They disabled this door. It can only be locked. It can't be closed without the lock. I think that's just so they can get in easier. You can see the little pieces in here, but it just keeps popping open, but I guess that's what workers do. I hadn't seen it done before, but as long as I put it back the way they got it, it's fine. So you can see that this is the entry. Now I'm going into the living room. So you can see that the wall moldings are done. We are going to get the baseboards. I think that's going to go next, you know, the floor moldings. I think they have to do some pretty good cleanup here and some touch-up painting. So we have the crown molding, we have painting done. So I think this is, the painting step. We have the smart home system. So I think, I know some of this lighting is on back order. We're still waiting for some of this lighting and we're waiting for the cabinets. That's why that crown molding, it's not incomplete. It's just the shelves will go here. And then this is all the kitchen. So all this piping will be covered up by shelves and furniture and kitchen. So that's correct. And then we open these doors. The interior doors really make a difference. They really make this place nice. So it looks like we're waiting on one more ceiling fan there. The bathroom is like it's about 7 to 10 days to finish this. Mainly you're just putting in this wall tile here on this side, and then building the cabinet and putting in the sink and the fixtures, and then there's some glass that will cover the shower bath area. So, and then, everything, the bones are done, the lighting and the plumbing, that's the hardest part. So we'll just turn this. So we have an exhaust fan there, or I think there is a fan in there. No, that we need another exhaust fan there. So yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, I'm not sure. This light is something else. I think this light's the other fan. Yeah, I think, we have two fans there. So yeah, it's the light switches work. They just need those covers. But yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Let's go check out the bedrooms. Okay, so behind door number 1, this is the small bedroom. I had already turned on the lights before, but yeah, so we have this herringbone wood flooring. It's pretty nice. I like that. It gives it a little bit of personality. Gets some personality in the apartment. And then it's this little wavy stuff, but yeah, you can see outside the complex is still coming along. I think, I don't know, this could be another 2 years. I don't know, another 2 years before they totally finish everything. I guess that's why you get a good deal in pre-construction. I have the mattress coming tomorrow, special order, American queen size. I'll probably just stash it here somewhere. I think I could just stash it actually in this room against this wall. This room looks more done than the other one actually. And we have the second balcony. Yeah, I've been really adamant about doing a lot of cleanup and getting all the debris out on a regular basis. You don't want this stuff piling up, and it just can interfere with the work. And, so let me see. We lock that door. But so we have the LEDs. These LED cans really kind of surprised me. You can see that they add a lot of light. They're not so big, but they actually light the room pretty good, and it's kind of a nice light. Now, she managed to cool that paint down. Last time we were here, I was commenting that I had my doubts about the wall paint, that it was like a little bit too cool, but she managed to warm it back up, take out the dye, and just make it more close to white, which is what I'm liking. I'm really liking this color. We just need like I said, it looks like there's a long way to go, but then there isn't really. Now the kitchen, I think the kitchen will come in 4 weeks, but we can move in before the kitchen. It's, you have to order the cabinets, and all these shelves and everything have to be measured after this work is done. That's why it's going to be a little bit wild for the cabinetry. you know, you can't do it before. You have to have it, because it's like down to millimeter measurements if you want it done right. So you have to have everything done first before you can do measuring. And so yeah, we'll get a cabinet here. So this will all be covered up by cabinet, you know, and hang the coats. And then this will be a closet here, you know, so you can see they've already planned for it. And then they put the moldings there, and then they take the millimeter measurements. Yeah, I'm quite delighted, you know. So yeah, this is the master bedroom, and then this is the small bedroom, and then this is the entryway. So yeah, and then we have also, yeah, these lights will come. We had to order them. I think they come at the end of the month. So it's always, but this is it. I think the next video, next walkthrough video will be I'll actually be moving in. I have this big air conditioner pipe and wiring sticking out, but I think that'll just have to wait till, I think, next year. I don't know if they can do the air conditioner installation in the winter. I guess it's not so severe winters here like they are in Norway. You know, in Norway everything ices up, but yeah, you can see the mechanisms for the door. They're quite nice. I hadn't seen hinges like this. This is pretty cool. So, yeah, okay. All right, then like and subscribe, and we'll show you some. I'll have some more detailed videos on each of the parts coming up.